Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of economic order quantity, a topic that I have taken from material costing chapter. In the previous video, what I've shared, I've told about the stock levels. So in this video, I'm concentrating on economic order quantity. With a problem, I'm giving this explanation. A simple problem I've taken for explaining the concept. So in this particular video, I'll be concentrating on the meaning, what is the formula, what is the assumptions pertaining to EOQ, as well as one problem for which you will understand the concept of EOQ. Now, coming to the meaning of economic order quantity or reorder quantity. The meaning is it is idle quantity to be purchased at a time. Or in other words, the size of the order for which both ordering and the carrying cost are minimum is known as economic order quantity. Now here I have mentioned the ordering and the carrying cost, which means that both these ordering cost and the carrying cost will be given. So if ever in an organization they have to minimize the ordering and carrying cost, it is necessary to determine the quantity which minimize these two costs. And to minimize these two costs, we are doing this economic order quantity. So that is a basic concept of doing this economic order quantity. Now, coming to the formula, economic order quantity, I've done with two formulas. You can see here, square root of 2CO by I or square root of 2AS by C. Why means that different textbook you can find the different formula, but the concept you have to understand what are the basic condition that will be taking when you are doing an economic order quantity. Now here, where C or A, in both cases I have given in detail, that is, it is the annual consumption of material in units. Next is O or S, which means that it is ordering cost per order. And in the denominator I given I or C, that is what I given as star mark over here, that is I or C, that is annual carrying cost of 1 unit. And here why I gave this means most of the questions they will give this ordering cost, that means this not ordering cost, the carrying cost in percentages. So if ever that is being given, there will be a state of confusion how to find it out. So what you have to do is that the carrying cost percentage will be given into cost of 1 unit, which is given in the question. Now, what are the basic assumptions underlying the economic order quantity? That means the calculation of economic order quantity of material purchases subject to this following assumptions. And this basic formula is being derived by the famous mathematician Wilson, who has derived this formula. Now, the assumptions are ordering cost per order and carrying cost per unit per annum are known, and that will be fixed. Second is your anticipated usage of material is known. Third one is the cost per unit of material is constant and known. And the lead time is 0. Now you'll be thinking, what is this lead time? Lead time means that the quantity of material ordered is received immediately. I'll repeat it. It is a quantity of material ordered is received immediately. That is the meaning of lead time. So this is the basic concepts of EOQ, the formula also. So if you are being given with all these informations in the question, we can do a problem. Basically, this question they'll used to give for BCOM or BBA as a sub question for your section B, 6 marks. It can be asked like two parts, like what is EOQ, and they'll be giving a problem. So they'll be doing it like this. So 3 marks each for that, your explanation as well as for a problem that is being given over there. Or sometimes they might even include this EOQ in your maximum levels. Now, as to explain the concept EOQ or the reorder quantity, I have taken a very small problem which will make you understand what is EOQ. So the annual usage is given, that is 20,000 units. Buying cost per order, that is rupees 10. Then cost per unit, that is rupees 100. Cost of carrying inventory, 10% of cost. Now these are the basic information that is being given pertaining to EOQ. Now coming to the solution, I have even mentioned what is given in our question. Given C, that is our consumption, that is 20,000 units. O is your buying cost per order, rupees 10. I is your inventory carrying cost. So here you can see that they given cost per unit rupees 100 as well as cost of carrying inventory 10% of cost. So when it is given like that, you have to find 10% on 100. That is what I have explained it here. 100 into 10 by 100, we are getting 10. Now we can apply all these concepts into the formula. Therefore, EOQ equals root of 2 CO by I, 2 into 20,000, that is 2 into C 20,000, which is given on our question, into 10 divided by 10, that is this inventory cost. So root of 40,000, we are getting 200 units. So this is the basic EOQ. Now, sometimes in some question, they may even ask number of orders to be placed. So the formula is very simple. That is annual consumption divided by EOQ. So here annual consumption was 20,000 units. So we have written it here 20,000. Now EOQ we got 200. So it will be like 100 orders. So this is the basic problem that you will be getting for an EOQ. More than that, no other particular adjustment. But one adjustment where you can expect is here annual usage. How they'll give is that instead of giving annual usage, they may give it as quarterly basis. So if it is quarterly basis, we have to find it for a quarterly thing. So I hope so it is clear. Thank you for watching.